can make my sideburns like that.
Curl it? Sure.
Yeah. On my sideburns curl. Fresh. It's a new style. It's like.
Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I got another wig review today, and it is Outre Lilyana. Boom. From the Melted Hairline series, and I have her in the wonderful color 2. I'm not sure where I got this wig from, y'all, so forgive me, but once I find out, I will stick it in the description. So right now, I'm just installing it. I've been trying to play around with my wigs today. The previous video that you saw me do was the Sammy one, and that one didn't really work out so well. So I'm doing one that actually fits around the perimeter of my head a little bit more. And like with the Melted Hairline series, you know, you kind of notice that it comes with like these extra flaps for the sideburns. So that should glue down to my skin like really well, so I'm just kind of giving this a go. So the lace bond glue I'm still using is the Sif by I got this from Ebony Line. It does come with the lace bond remover, and it also comes with like a little foam applicator. Again, this is for $10.95. It comes just like this in a, you know, they call it a kit, and it comes in a box in the mail with all of that. Yeah, so I'm doing Lilyana with this. So with this wig, it does come with adjustable straps, 2 combs, an elastic band, and this time it's not adjustable, and you know, come in the back. So I'm just trying to install it. It's like really pretty. It's just like you can really definitely tell that it's your hairline. Well, the color of my skin really, but like when I'm done trying to style it and everything, I'm gonna go over it with a little makeup, and we're gonna be good to go. Y'all see how long this flap is to my eye? Is that crazy? I ain't gonna lie, I think I kind of like when I cut that part off. It's just so weird on my face like that. I should have cut it off, but I think it'll be alright. And let me see what it looked like right now. I see how easy and quick y'all do that lace bond glue, but shoot, I forgot I was filming for a second. But I don't see how quick and easy y'all do that lace bond glue. Like, if y'all got any suggestions, please critique me. I'm open to all suggestions. All I just want to do, just get it right. Get it right, get it tight. Okay. done a lace front, in my opinion. It fits around my head perfectly, and you're able to glue around your hairline. Look at the wave pattern on this. The crimps. Like if you put some mousse on it, like if you ever brush it out and it gets poofy, you can just mousse it up and the waves will come back to normal. It looks very beautiful. Okay, and that is the review. You guys please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching the Red One TV. You guys have a good day. Bye. Did y'all see my husband come and play with my hair? Yeah.